We are learning the complete ethical hacking course, exploring secrets of hackers. In previous module, we have seen our first software or tool, which is Recon NG, and we have find out the information regarding a domain which is kali.org. We have found out the subdomains, the location, the street address of a particular IP address. In this module, we will learn how you can gather some more information regarding dmitry tool available in Kali Linux operating system. If you don't know, I will tell you that dmitry is used to gather information about a target IP address or organization, and you can see that these are the tools available here or commands available for dmitry. If you find out the output, you can save it to a file. Dash I will tell you the whois of IP address. Dash W will tell you the domain name of IP address. Dash N will tell you the netcraft information. Dash S will tell you the subdomains. E for email addresses, TCP ports, and all. This is the screenshot I have taken when I have to. Now navigate to your applications, click on information gathering, and click on the dmitry. Now you can see that these all options are here to find out and gather information about a target. So let's find out information about kali.org as we have taken it in the recon-ng module. So just type dmitry space dash I space the IP address of a host, but if we don't know IP address, so type dash. Let's find out the IP address of kali.org. Ping kali.org. Yes, we have found out the kali.org IP address, so let's do it. Copy this one, clear dmitry-h, right? So first command is dmitry space dash I space the particular IP address, paste it here and enter. Now let's see what is the result. So as you can see that Dimitri's deep magic information gathering tool, and the slogan is there is some deep magic going on. This is the host IP address, this is the host name. So these are the remarks available that they are saying it is in different continents: Africa, Asia Pacific, Northern America, Latin America, etc. And we have seen in recon-ng that the Kali Linux kali.org servers are everywhere in the world, right? So as you can see that it has told me that there are so many servers available in the world. So let's try a second command, that dmitry dash w, that if I know the domain name, let's type kali.org, enter. Sorry, I didn't put OG in. Yes, it is finding. Let's find out that what Dimitri has told us. Here, the domain name is kali.org. This is the registrar URL. This is the update date. This is the creation date, expiry date, and As you can see that it is in the US, the postal code, the state, street address are also available when Dimitri is searching. These are the restaurant email address, street, PO box number, postal code, country, phone numbers are also available. Oh, that's great. It is inside US and all. Let's try netcraft and Dimitri. So type dash n. Netcraft is not resolving anything. So let's do one more thing. Possible subdomains, use dash s. So let's use dash s. Yes, it is find out in Google and hasta la vista. Dash e dash p are available. So let's go there. Geometry dash p kali.org. It is finding some information regarding TCP port information. It is trying. Maybe it will take some time, but it will tell you something useful about the TCP port information about the website. So as you can see that it is detecting the ports related to a website. It is saying it is filtered, filtered, filtered. It will show all type of ports available in a particular website. So that's how you can detect that how Dimitri is useful to gather so much bunch of information about a website. This is a really important tool to find out information about target website. It also uses port scanning in its method, and as you can see that 21, 22 is open, 25 is open. Filtered means it is confused, but open means it can surely tell you that it is open. This port is open. So that's how you can find out that how you can find port number of a particular web server. So that's why Dimitri is really useful to find out the bunch of information available. You just have to type Dimitri-h to find out the options available for Dimitri. You can use one by one to find out the information regarding any web server or any website available on internet. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you have enjoyed it, and you will see some more exciting practicals in some next chapters. Thank you so much.